Welcome everyone. Hello everyone. So today I'll be sharing these 5 chilla recipes. These are very healthy options for your breakfast. I will be making cheese chilla, poha chilla, oats and egg chilla, beet chilla, millet chilla. For the cheese chilla, I'll take 1 cup of moong dal and add some water to it and wash it properly. After washing the moong dal, I have blended it into a fine paste and add some salt and 1 tablespoon kasuri methi. Next is I have added 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a frying pan. When the pan is hot, I'll add the moong dal mixture and spread it like a dosa with a spoon. Now I'll add some cheese slice and few sliced onion. Now I'll add some oregano in the chilla. It will give a very nice pizza-like taste and some chili flakes. Now let's flip the chilla. Here I have flipped the chilla from one side. And it's almost ready. So here's our cheese chilla ready. Next is poha chilla or flattened rice chilla. I'll simply add some water and wash the poha. Next, I'll be adding it in a mixer bowl and add some salt, 1 tablespoon of jeera powder and some kasuri methi. And add half tablespoon of red chili powder and blend it into a fine paste. Now I'll add some oil into a frying pan, and then when the pan is hot, I'll add our poha mixture. You have to be very careful while spreading the poha mixture, and the flame of the gas stove should be low. Now let it cook for at least 5 minutes. So it's cooked from one side. Now I'll flip it. After flipping, I'll let it cook from other side. Here's our poha chilla ready. I'll make some oats chilla now. So for this I have taken 1 cup of oats and blend it into a fine powder. Now I'll shift the powder into a bowl, add 2 eggs in the powder. Then I'll be adding some chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, chopped green chili, some 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi, salt according to the taste, and give it a mix. I'll simply add half tablespoon of vegetable oil in a pan and then add our oats and egg mixture and try to spread it with the spoon. Now let it cook for at least 2-3 minutes. Now I'll simply flip it to the other side. Its golden brown color has come. Here's our oats and egg chilla ready to eat. Now I'm going to make some moong dal beetroot chilla. For this I have taken 1 cup of cleaned moong dal and taken it in a mixer bowl. Then I have added 1.5 tablespoon of shredded beet in the dal, and then 1 tablespoon of jeera powder, salt according to the taste, and then I'll add some chopped green chilies and blend it properly. Now add half tablespoon of oil into a pan. Now add the beetroot chilla mixture to the pan. You can add beetroot in this way in your diet. Children who are very fussy in eating vegetables, you can make them eat beetroot in this way. Even you can add different vegetables to your chilla. So it's cooked from one side. You can see it's cooked when the sides are coming up. Now I'll simply flip it to the other side and let it cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. It's almost done to be served. Beetroot chilla ready to eat. Now I'll make some millet chilla. For this I have taken 1.5 spoon of millet atta. In this millet atta, I'll add some chopped vegetables like tomato, then coriander leaves, chopped green chilies, chopped onion, then I'll be adding salt according to the taste, now I'll be adding some Jeera powder, about half tablespoon of Jeera powder. I'll simply mix everything and then add some water and make it a fine paste for our chilla. You have to add water slowly because if you add all the water at one time, it will become too runny. So while adding the water, be careful. So our mixture is ready. Now add half tablespoon of vegetable oil to a pan, and then we'll add our millet mixture and spread it like a dosa. Now let it cook from one side, then we will flip it to the other side. So it's cooked from both sides, it's ready to be served. Here's our millet chilla ready to eat. If you like the recipe, please do write in the comments and try this at home. And please don't forget to subscribe the channel and please hit the like button, and please write in the comments how was the recipe and what new I can make for you.